How to use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your app store and download the traditional WhatsApp that you use. So when you have created an account on WhatsApp with one phone number, and if you have another phone number and you also wish to get that phone number on WhatsApp so that people can reach out to you on that number as well. So for example, you might have one WhatsApp for your personal contacts and the other one for your business contacts. So you don't really want anyone from your business to know about your personal phone number, so you want them to contact you on an entirely different phone number, on an entirely different WhatsApp. So when you click on the traditional WhatsApp messenger and head over to settings, you wouldn't really be able to see an option that would say add a new account, because in a single WhatsApp you can only use a single phone number. So you can only create an account with one single phone number. However, if you really want to add another number to WhatsApp, and that too on the same phone, such as iPhone, so I'll tell you another way. You can go to your app store and go and search for WhatsApp Business and hit enter. Now, this is the WhatsApp that you need to install. So it is just the same WhatsApp with the same functionality and the same messages, calls, everything like you can see over here. It's just the same, just like the traditional WhatsApp, but you can use this for your business. So what will that help you to do is that you can just filter all of your personal contacts to your traditional WhatsApp, the WhatsApp messenger, and then also the shift, and then you can create an account with a new phone number, that is your business phone number or any other phone number, such that if not even business, you can also do that for another number you have, and just create an account here in WhatsApp Business, and after that you can use. So that is how you can create and use two WhatsApp accounts on same iPhone. So that is basically how you can use two WhatsApps on the same iPhone. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.